Remember that hilarious anime scene in One Punch Man episode 2? This is when Saitama struggles to swat a mosquito. Ever wondered why these tiny pests are so hard to catch? Come, let's dive into the fascinating world of mosquitoes, nature's stealthiest drill sergeant. In this video, we will uncover the 5 scientific reasons how a mosquito gets the better of Saitama from One Punch Man episode 2. Number 1. Fast reaction time. Mosquitoes have an incredibly rapid neutral response that allows them to react almost instantaneously to threats. They can detect sudden movements and respond faster than our own reflexes. Number 2. Sophisticated vision. With their compound eyes, mosquitoes have a wide field of view and can detect motion efficiently. This makes it nearly impossible for them to catch off guard. Number 3. Lightweight and agile bodies. These tiny creatures have lightweight bodies which allows for agile, erratic flight patterns. This agility helps mosquitoes dodge swats with ease. Number 4. Air pressure sensitivity. Mosquitoes can sense changes in air pressure from an approaching hand, giving them an early warning to fly away before being swatted. Number 5. Quick takeoff. Do you know that research shows that mosquitoes can take off quickly when sensing danger, accelerating rapidly to avoid being hit? So how about you? Do you know other anime series featuring interesting animal behaviors?